Okay.
So the 4 coins, 1 coin already transferred, right? So 1 coin is here, and 1, 2, 3. You have a second chance. This coin also transferred like this, and like that one. Well, so how many coins?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. And here are the 1 coins. Watch. Oh, put your hand. Give me a hand. So 1 coin is here. Watch very clearly. This time you can hear the sound.
Yo, what?
Yeah. Of course, here are the 2 coins. This is number 1.
Wait,
This is
that
number 1, and this is number 2. You can keep your eyes over here, and the 2 coin is here. This time I will do
It's like
very
freaks
slowly.
him out.
Very slowly. The 2 coins and 2 coins. Very slowly. The magic is slow motion. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and of course here are the 1 coins. Finally, I will take more challenge because in the moment, what I'm going to do, give me a hand. Yeah. So you can keep your eyes over here. You want 1. How many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. No any fake, nothing. No any extra coins, right? The 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, and another. Yeah, 4 coins, right? So square the coins like this. What I'm going to do, I'm taking out 1 coin. Close your hand tight. Turn your hand like this. Like this coin. This time I will take more challenge.
Okay.
This time, if I throw the coin like this, you think the coin is here. Gone.
Open your hand.
Oh, no.
Open your hand.
Please no. No.
Here are the 3 coins. I keep it here in my bag. And 1 coin is here. Watch. 1 coin. This coin here after 1 pass. No, 1 second. This here after 1 pass. You see the coin is completely gone. No, not in my this hand. Not here. Not here. Oh, I think the coin is here.
No
This coin, if I tap it here, it's come from here. This coin, if I tap it here, it's come from here. This coin, once again, if I pass my hand like this, the coin is completely gone. Now, you can see. See. Give me a hand. Open your hand. Open your hand. So this is a close-up tricks actually. Basically, this is the close-up tricks. I'm performing in the close-up. Short distance,
Oh, this is
right?
a close-up.
So yeah, this is a close-up tricks, not for the stage. When I perform on the stage, I use. Wait.
He just tries to figure it out.
I love
He
it.
can't figure
Expression. I love it.